Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, we're cooking on the Pellet Grill today on the Pellet Pro from Smoked Editing, folks. Got some beef ribs. I'll tell you, I haven't had beef ribs in a while. So we're gonna get this thing fired up. In fact, it is, but let's go take a look at those ribs. All right, folks, I told you about the ribs from Aldi, of all places. I used to, when Aldi first came around, and I don't know what part of the country you are, there's some people that say, what's an Aldi? Aldi is like a discount food market. But it's high quality stuff. It's owned by Trader Joe's, and these beef ribs are awesome. So, and I've got a little, you're looking to say, well, what is this stuff? Cindy Lou's out of California, www.rubsandmore.com. This is a family owned business, and I always support family owned businesses, as you know. So we're gonna put in this rub on these ribs, and I'll tell you what. See you at the grill. All right, folks, smokes are rolling. See our temp, if you can't see that, we're running right around 156. Nice smoke coming out of here. Let's take a look at our ribs. Now, the key with these is not drying them out. So I am spraying them every so often to get some smoke into them. And take a quick look at that. Oh, man, getting some nice color on there. So we'll keep on going, give you a couple more. Folks, 2 hours on low smoke. Let's take a quick look, shall we? Oh yeah, I got some nice color on those. I am actually going to pull those off, and we're going to put them in a tin with some taters, cover it, and put it back on, and get them nice and tender. All right, we're ready to get wrapped. I got my taters in there. Look at the color on that. Now I'm going to pour a little bit of vegetable broth, unsalted, and that's what I've been spraying these ribs with, is some unsalted vegetable broth. And that works out real well. We're going to dump the rest of that bottle in there, cover this whole thing, turn up the temp to 300, and we'll cook them. When the potatoes are done, ribs will be done. Oh man, there it is. Potatoes and beef ribs. Look at this. Smoke ring on that, oh man. So tender. These ribs up to 210 internal. Potatoes. Folks, this is dinner and lunch for tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Hey, you like my new tray? And as always, thanks for watching.